In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite users to your Odoo database. This is a quick and simple task, but it's an important one if you want other people to access your Odoo environment and start working in the system. Whether you're adding a teammate, a manager, or someone from another department, the process is handled directly inside your settings, and it only takes a moment once you know where to go. To get started, open your Odoo database and click on the Settings app. This is where you manage the main configuration options for your database, including user access and other administrative controls. If you're the person managing the system, this is usually the area you'll visit whenever you need to make account-related changes. Once you're inside Settings, go to the General Settings category. This section contains a range of overall database options, and it's also where you'll find the area used to invite new users. If you don't immediately see it, just scroll through the page carefully, since some Odoo layouts can show settings across multiple sections depending on your version and installed apps. Here you'll see the Invite field. In that field, enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Make sure the email is typed correctly, since the invitation will be sent directly there. A small typo can prevent the user from receiving the invite, so it's always a good idea to double-check before moving on. After entering the email address, click Invite. Odoo will then send an invitation email to that user. From there, they'll be able to open their email, follow the invitation, and continue the access setup on their side. This makes the process straightforward, especially if you're onboarding someone new and want them to get into the database without manually creating everything together in real time. And that's it. Once the invite has been sent, the basic process is complete. If the person doesn't see the message right away, you may want to remind them to check their spam or junk folder, since automated invitation emails can sometimes end up there depending on their email provider. So, to recap, you open the Settings app, go to General Settings, enter the user's email in the Invite field, and click Invite. The invitation is then sent to their email, and they can take it from there. That's all for this video.